Welcome to the Genius Olympiad Business Application video. In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to apply. First, scroll down on the Genius website and click on Apply Now. Log in using the email address you registered before. And in the Project section, click on Add New. Fill out the form completely by selecting the category you wish to apply for. If you have a YouTube media link related to your project, you can add it. If not, you can leave it blank. Next, proceed to the following page, where you will upload the necessary files for your project. You can find information about the business plan paper under the Documents section and download it. This document provides detailed instructions on how to create the plan required for the competition. Once you have finalized your papers for upload, go back to the application page and find the correct file on your computer and upload it to the system. If you want to add an additional document, you can do so. The next page is where you will enter student information. To add a student not already in the system, click on Add New Student to enter their information and include them in the project. If the information for students working on the project has previously been entered for another project, you can select them by clicking Select Student. You must include all students involved in the project. The next page is only for certificate winners from Genius-affiliated fairs. If you believe you have completed your application accurately, click Complete.
The final step of the application process is payment. Select the Make Payment option under the Project section. If you have entered multiple projects, you can select all projects to make a payment. Click Checkout, then press the Pay button and enter the details of a valid card to complete your payment. You can also complete the payment procedures in the same steps under the Payment section. If you have any questions, you can reach out to info@geniusolympiad.org.